All right, you're welcome to this live session. If you're meeting me for the first time, I'm your host, EGWUONWU. I know a lot of you still think that YouTube is too saturated, it's too late to start content creation. Many other people think that only the lucky make it big. Everyone says it's too late to start YouTube in 2025. They are dead wrong. In fact, let me tell you something bold. 2025 is the best year we've ever had to start as a full-time creator. Not just good, I'm talking life-changing opportunities that people are sleeping on because they are stuck believing outdated advice. Why 2025 is still the best year to start as a full-time content creator and how to quit your 9 to 5. And if you're still doubting, let me show you why. People love to talk about how the game is saturated. Guess what? They said the same thing in 2015, 2018, 2020. In fact, a lot of the big name in the game today never really believed in it. And yet, every single year, new creators, people with 0 subscribers are going full time. No doubt, the game has changed. The rules are different, but the opportunities bigger than ever. Stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm breaking down why 2025 is actually a golden era for creators like you. The exact step-by-step blueprints to quit your 9 to 5 and the one mindset shift that separates broke creators from 6-figure ones.
Like and subscribe.
There are creators that went from 0 to 500K in 8 months, and the least these creators make is $3,000 a month from YouTube. Stick with me. There are some that have never gone to school, but now they make money more than their parents. The game has changed, but the opportunities, like I said, bigger than ever. Let's start with the truth bomb. There's never been a cheaper, faster, and smarter time to create content than right now. AI is not your enemy, it's your power up. In 2025, you can create 10 times faster using tools like ChatGPT for script, Midjourney for thumbnails, and Descript for video editing. What used to take a team of 5 can now be done by you in your bedroom in a single afternoon. In 2015, you needed a $2,000 camera and Adobe Premiere Pro just to compete. Now, you can film, edit, and publish a viral video in 2 hours for free. Trust me when I say this. AI won't replace you, but creators who use AI will replace those who don't. Platforms are begging for fresh voices. YouTube Shorts and TikToks are favoring fresh, authentic voices, not big corporate brands. The algorithm isn't looking for polished perfection. It's looking for content that grabs attention in 3 seconds and keep people watching. YouTube algorithm loves new creators. Why? Because they are sick of big channels phoning it in. If your content is good, you will get pushed no matter how small you are. Real people want real stories. Viewers are sick of cookie cutter content. They crave authenticity. That is why raw, honest storytelling beats overproduced video every time. People aren't watching TV anymore. They are watching people. The more real you are, the faster you will grow. Period. I've seen a 40-year-old mom who quit teaching. She went from 0 to 200K subscribers in 6 months doing parenting humor. I've seen a factory worker who turned tech reviewer. He grew by testing cheap Amazon gadgets. These people weren't first. They were just smart. If they can do it, what's stopping you? Not gear, not time, not even the algorithm. The only thing stopping you is you, and you can do same starting today. Here's the biggest lie corporate life sold you. You need 1 million subscribers to quit your job. Wrong. I've seen creators go full-time with as little as 10,000 subscribers because they knew how to monetize smart. Let me bust your brain a bit. A creator with 10K subscribers, a $10 digital product, and a loyal fan base can earn more than an ad revenue-only channel with 200K subscribers. Stop obsessing over subscribers. You need profit, not popularity. I know creators making $10K a month under 50K subscribers. Let me show you how they are doing it. The first approach. 1. Side hustle first. This will take you 1 to 6 months. You can achieve it in 1 to 3 months depending, but to be certain, let's keep it at 1 to 6 months. In this period, you post 1 to 3 videos a week. Test 3 niches. Keep your job, but cut all unnecessary spending. Once you've done this for 6 months, the next 6 to 12 months will be your profitability threshold. Once you hit $1K a month, reinvest everything into better gear and courses. Monetize early with sponsors, membership, digital courses. Don't wait for AdSense alone. 3. The leap. That's the 12 months. Negotiate remote work at your job or freelance 10 hours a week to bridge the gap while you scale. Then there's the psychological hack. You have to learn to silence doubters, even yourself. You face doubters, your family, your friends, even your own mind will scream, what if you fail? Here's the truth. The only failure is never starting. Every creator you admire first is fear. The difference, they hit published anywhere. When your family says, get a real job, ask them this. What's more real than getting paid to be you? Niche selection. Very important. Don't pick a niche because you love it. Forget follow your passion. Instead, find undervalued niches. Topic with high interest but low competition. Use tools like vidIQ, TalkBuddy, and even TikTok trends to spot gaps. There are 3 types of videos that are winning in 2025. 1. Edutainment. Teach while entertaining. For example, I spent $1,000 on Temu gadgets, so you don't have to. 2. Anti-advice. Challenge common myths. For example, why follow your passion is terrible advice. 3. Raw vlog. Day in life with a twist. My first $10K a month and the 3 mistakes I made. You have to learn to use AI without looking like a robot. And here's how. Add your personality and commentary. AI should be your assistant, not your replacement. Use AI for scripting, editing, but never for your voice or face. Try the 1 hour a day system. 20-minute filming, 20-minute editing, and 20-minute engaging. The only thing standing between you and full-time creativity is starting, not someday, not when you are ready. I want you to remember this. The best time to start was 5 years ago. The second best time is today. If you don't start now, 2030 will come and you will wish you had built your audience when the tool were this powerful, free, and the playing field was this open. Here's what I want you to do right now. Comment your biggest fear about quitting your 9 to 5 and I will tackle them live in the Q&A. And I will drop a link to my content creators tribe. In that group, I answer questions and it's just for my subscribers. So if you subscribe to my channel, click the link, join the group, ask me any question and I will answer you. I'm just there to help you grow. And don't forget to like and comment on this video. I know it helped you. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay updated. I will be doing this from time to time.